Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Ella and in this video we are going to learn how to add live fire to our fireplace. We're going to work on it as an image so we can render it, and also we're going to add a video to it so we can have live fire in our animations. Now as you can see here, we have this very simple modern fireplace, and I have added this simple extrusion here. If you select it, you can see its material here. This is because we have only one extrusion in this generic model, and I turned its material into a parameter and I made it instant so we can access to it simply from here. Click on it and create a new material and rename it to fire. For its image, I'm going to use something like this. As you can see, it's a high quality image with black background. Select it and let's see how it will look like in our render. So I'm going to apply now. Okay, now we need to change its size. Go to manage and click on this material. Now click on this image and let's change its size to, for example, 9 and its height to 50. I'm going to change it from tile to none and apply again. I think it looks good, but I want this part to be in the center, so I'm going to change its position to, let's say, 30 centimeter offset. Let's try 25. Okay, this is much better. I'm going to add some lightings to this texture, so I'm going to check this self-illumination. For its luminance, I'm going to put it on custom, and then I will change this number to 1000 for now. And for its color temperature, I think this could be enough. Apply again, and I'm going to change this to 2000 more. Perfect. I think it's better now. Check this cutout section. I'm going to use this alpha channel here with all of those numbers. As you can see, we don't have that black background here anymore. If you want, you can add transparency, reflectivity, and also bump. I know it's crazy, but sometimes it might help your material to look much better. And this is perfectly our fire. Okay, now let's move on to animation part. I'm going to select this again and I will change its material to, for now, to default. Before we start, I want to change this part a little bit. This was an image and we could add that cutout texture to it, so we delete its black background. But since we are going to use another technique for adding a video to this place, I want to change this part a little bit. I'm going to change this glass, this fireplace glass in here and in here, so we see our fire only from one perspective. If you had more options to add alpha channel or cutouts to videos too, we didn't need to change this fireplace. But since we don't have that much option, I'm going to change it a little bit. I turned it into something like this. We don't have that glass behind it and it's in the center exactly. So for adding fire live to this part, we need to find its video first. We are going to add and address that video as the material of this extrusion. So just find a random fire in fireplace, for example something like this that I'm going to use in this video with black background, as you can see. Select it and change the name of your material to simply video. Right click, click on rename and enter video. Now go to its identity and in this description we are going to add a formula. Start with a square bracket and type the name of your material, which is video. Colon, go to your file and right click on it. Go to its properties and security tab, and in this part object name you need to copy address and name of your material. Paste it in this part with Ctrl V. Now we are going to add a bar line like this, and the number after this bar should be the X position of our video. So I'm going to enter 1 for now, and then I'm going to add another bar. This time, if you add a number in here, will be the y axis of your material. So, and also I'm going to enter 1 for it. Add another bar. The number after this third bar is going to be the rotation of our video. So I'm going to enter 0 for it. Now we are going to close this square bracket, hit apply and OK. As you can see, our video is in here and it's moving perfectly. The only thing we need to change is its scale. So I'm going to change this one to, let's say, 3 for now, better. The second one to 2. Go to appearance and check this self-illuminance and put it on 9000 and make its color temperature warmer. Perfect. Now if you move in your file like this, you can see the best live fire in here. This will be in a loop, so you will have it all the time. So yes, that's it. I hope this was useful for you and you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.